Confidence is not step one. Grit is. If you have been waiting to feel confident before you do that thing, the thing that you want to do, I got news for you. You're going to be waiting a long time because confidence isn't step one. Grit is. So let's talk about it. There is a misunderstanding. You are being sold this idea that confidence is some magical emotion that you have to unlock first, and then you can step up if you have confidence that you can do it. And I'm here to tell you that that is totally backwards. Confidence is the result. It's not the requirement. So if you are sitting here thinking, why don't I feel confident like everyone else? Newsflash, you think other people feel confident, but they don't. You are not broken. You're just using the wrong starting line. So let's dive into this a little bit. What is step one of building confidence? Well, it is grit. It's that courage to take an action while you're scared, unsure, shaky, uncomfortable, or you're just plain curious. And why isn't confidence step one? Well, because confidence only shows up after your brain sees evidence that you can do something. And that evidence comes from action. And that action, well, it comes from, you guessed it, grit. So what is the PowHer Up confidence recipe? Well, my confidence recipe is grit plus Moxie plus critical thinking equals confidence. Grit starts the process. Moxie keeps you going even through mistakes. Critical thinking helps you choose the right moves. So the truth that the girls aren't hearing, that you're not hearing, is you don't need confidence to start. It's a myth. You need grit. The moment where you say, I'm scared and I'm going to do it anyway. Grit is the girl who raises her hand even though her voice shakes because she's scared. She's scared she's going to embarrass herself. It's the girl who tries out for the team even when she doesn't think she's going to make it, but she's going to try. It's the girl who hits record on camera even though the internet, it can be brutal. It is brutal. So you can't wait for confidence. Confidence is your reward for using grit, not the ticket to enter the room. And let me tell you, this is my favorite light bulb moment. Failure is part of the recipe. It's the secret ingredient that nobody wants to admit. Failure. Every time you fail, your brain learns something really important. Oh, I survived that. I'm still here. I could try again. And that's when Moxie kicks in, the staying power. That's when critical thinking kicks in, the brain power. And that's when confidence finally builds, which is the earned power. Confidence grows because you have evidence, and grit is what starts the path to gaining the evidence. So let's go ahead and figure out, why do influencers teach confidence backwards? Well, those 15 minutes of confidence. Because believe in yourself, well, it sounds cute online, but it's not realistic for girls who don't yet have the evidence to believe in themselves. I mean, confidence without evidence, it's simply pressure. It is not power. So what does a teen girl actually need to do first? Or any girl of any age? She needs a gritty moment. Yeah, one tiny action that scares her just a little, but grows her a lot. And how does that redefine confidence? Well, grit will reframe it. It reframes it from a personality trait into a process that you build one decision at a time. So I'm not giving you a call to action here. I'm not telling you to like or subscribe. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to do something that's really important. I want you to stop waiting. Pick one thing today that scares you just a little bit. You could answer a question in class. You could send an email that you've been putting off. You can try out for something, speak up, or hit the record. I mean, if I waited for my bags to go away to record, I would never record anything. What's your first gritty moment going to be? It's going to feel awkward, maybe messy, but later on, you're going to realize something. You didn't need confidence. You just needed the first step in the recipe, which is, grit. So, you build confidence by doing, period. You do it scared, you do it messy, you do it with grit. The confidence shows up later. I promise you, it will. You just got to do the grit, the Moxie to keep going through, and using those critical thinking skills to evaluate and focus. And there you have it.